welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in today's video, we're going to be going through the crafter section of the Dollar Tree, so come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, this is a quick reminder for you to head on over to my community tab, where there you're going to find the calendar of collaborations for the month of February 2024. So exciting. All the collaborations are all open invitations for everyone to enjoy. Also remember to use the hashtag, because with the hashtag is how I find your video and add it to the playlist. So I have to say that this Dollar Tree is pretty stocked, especially in their crafter section. So I guess they were trying to get rid of some of this fall stuff, and I noticed that right over there by the crushed glass, they had hanging all of the leftover fall florals. I probably should have grabbed some, because somewhere along the line we're going to need it. So now I haven't really been through the Dollar Tree section, especially this crafters area or the toy section in detail. So I really enjoyed the shopping trip and I hope that you guys enjoyed it too. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next video.